Well, like most areas in the law, it's good to have an attorney that specializes in the area where the client needs help. Um, in condo and HOA, it's even more important given the fact that it's kind of a sub branch or a subtopic of real estate. So there are many real estate practitioners that don't handle condominium association law or homeowner association law. So really need to have someone that is familiar with how those associations operate. You need to be familiar with the pre-litigation requirements that are designated by statute, such as arbitration and mediation, in which cases can be arbitrated and mediated. There are also a number, especially with condominium associations, a number of arbitration decisions. And so if you're an attorney that's not familiar with that area, you may not even know where to look to find the answers in order to best represent your client. And it may be something that can be handled without going to mediation or arbitration, and it may be something that can be worked out with the association, with their board of directors or through the property management company, where you get that resolved without having to litigate, which saves time and money. But if you're not familiar with those areas, if you're not familiar with how governing documents for condominium and homeowners associations work, then you're not going to be able really to represent your client to the standard that the client deserves. One of the other things too is that even if an attorney is aware that these documents exist and that these statutes exist, they may, especially if they're billing by the hour, spend a great deal of time researching an issue where an experienced condominium or HOA attorney such as myself would be able to find what they're looking for in the documents in a very short amount of time, because you have to understand that the Declaration of Covenants and the Declaration of Condominiums typically are hundreds of pages long. So if you don't know where to look, that could cost your client money as well. So from the experience standpoint and from a monetary standpoint, it's best if you have someone that's experienced in condominium and homeowner association law.